to perpetuate her stories, concocting anything, blaming anyone else, Ethan Perry, for a day, 2 days. She continues that story of Ethan Perry. Then you'll hear she admits that's not true. So then she tries to blame her mom, her own mom. She decides to try to blame to try to get out of this because she knows this snowball is rolling down this hill and she's trying to stop it the best she can. Why is she doing that? It's because she knows that she brutally murdered her child and she's trying to cover it up. And maybe she had that hope that Evelyn would never be found. And even to this day, 5 years later, Evelyn would still be a missing child. The defense said something really interesting in jury selection yesterday afternoon that I want to touch on. He said to you, you only have one chance to get this right. Do you remember that? Then he said, Megan only has one chance to get this right. Do you remember that? I submit to you, Megan Boswell has already had her chance. She was gifted with a beautiful child, a healthy, vibrant little girl. Evelyn was perfect. Megan Boswell already had her chance. So today is Evelyn's chance. Today is our chance to get it right, not Megan's. Today's our chance to get it right for Evelyn. I know this is not easy for any of you. Thank you for serving. I promise you that this is not easy for any of us. It is not easy for any of us. But it's so important for us to be here today. You know you're going to see pictures that you don't want to see. You know you're going to hear things that you don't want to hear. But that's how we tell Evelyn's story. What she endured before her death, during her death, and even after her death. And where she had to sit for months while her mother continued to live her life as if Evelyn didn't exist. Ladies and gentlemen, at the close of this proof, we believe you will be left with no doubt at all, that the defendant, Megan Boswell, is guilty as charged in every count of the indictment. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Scott.
Morning. She's right about some things. And this is a terrible situation. There's a child, 13-month-old child, dead in a trash can. There's no getting around that.
Hold on just a minute. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to have you go to the officer.
Stand, please, so what happened?
All right.
You may be seated, thank you.
Who are you with? All right. Are you the designated still photographer?
sir.
If that flash goes off again, you'll have 10 days in jail.
I'm sorry.
The order's very clear.
Yes, Your
There'll
Honor.
be no lights, there'll be no flash. That's disruptive to the jury, that's disruptive to the lawyers, that's disruptive to this process, and I'm not even kidding. If I see another light, whoever it comes from will immediately be held in criminal contempt of this court and taken to jail for 10 days.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm sorry. I have it on not flash on my settings.
Well,
I
it
knew
went off because it was right in my face. Now, I got a feeling that one or two of them is going to go to the bathroom, which will mean it's going to take us probably 15 minutes to get started. So we'll take about 10 minutes.
Thank you. Court stands in recess.